19. Problem number 19.
X plus y is less than 3 over 2x negative y, which is less or greater than negative 2.
Less than, greater than? Or greater than? Equal to?
Less than.
Less than? Less than equal to, or just less than?
Less than equal to.
Equal to?
Sorry about that.
Negative 2?
Negative 2.
Negative 2. Okay. Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, so, awesome! What am I going to do? Well, see, this one, the graph's on there and everything, right? And you have to figure out which graph they are. Okay? So, what I want you to pretend is the graph isn't there. Make your own graph. Okay? And by doing that, this is how you do it. Plug in a 0. And what is y? Just look at this as an equal to. Y is
3.
3. That was easy. Plug in a 0 for y. And what is x? Well, it's not a trick question.
You have to.
Look at
Oh, right. Oh.
top one first. 3. Okay? It's that simple. It really is. Okay, then we're going to do blue. Blue. Okay, the bottom one. Plug in a 0 for x. And you just cover it up. What is y?
2.
2. Good. You're seeing it now. Plug in 0 for y. And what is x?
2.
No.
That's 2 right there.
It's negative 2 and 2. 2 goes into negative 2 how many times?
Once. Or twice.
How many times?
Negative
Negative 2 divided by 2.
0.
Man, you're going to watch this at home, show your
1.
son, and you're going to be a, what? 1, but what?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. Yeah. Negative.
Ah.
Negative 1. Come on, people. You got this. I know it's late in the day.
Alright.
It's hard on the brain. I know. That's why I make more mistakes late at night.
Yeah.
Sorry. It's just the way it goes. Okay, so now I'm going to color coded. I'll make green. Okay? I know I'm going to 3 and 3. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I double check, am I going any further down here? No, I'm going, they're less than 3. So now with my black, going out 3, putting a dot. I'm going up 3 and I'm putting a dot and I'm drawing my line. Bloop. Now, with that in mind, I better fix it, right? I need to look at this and go, is it dotted? Or is it solid?
It's dotted.
Dotted. Yes. If it's less than
Then it's.
or greater than, it's dotted. Right? So, oh, that's nice. Whiteboards. I can just do. Oh, I'm dotted. Okay? You guys have erasers to do that. Okay? Then what? I need to shade it, right? So I need to put my pin on the line. And I need to look at this and it's y less than. Is the y positive or negative? Is there a negative sign in front of the y? No. So it's less than. It doesn't flip. So it's less than.
Gotcha.
Less than. Down. Okay? So less than means down. Okay? Shading down. Okay? Alright. Then I go to my next one. My next one tells me this. 0, 2. So I'm at 0, 2. And I'm at negative 1, 0. And then I draw my line. Is it starting to look like one that's on the test?
Yeah, it's
You know? Then, I'm not done though. Here's where the biggest mistakes come. Y, it says is less than or equal to. Equal to means solid line, right?
yes.
Solid line. Oh, I better write that then. So if it's less than or equal to, or if it's greater than equal to, I have a solid line. See how I've made these nice, right? Okay. So, just remember, down is less than. But greater than is
Up.
up. And if you can't see that, up. Real nice pictures. 1,000 words. Okay? But my problem is I need to shade this. But what happens to this Y? It's negative. That flips this sign. So this sign is going to look like that. That's where people make the mistake. So I need to go greater than, and greater than is up. So it won't,
Yeah. Oh, yep.
right? And so what happens here is this right in here, this right in here works for both equations. This over here doesn't work for either equation. This works for one equation, and this works for the other equation. Okay? And that should give you your answer for the test. All right. We got time? We got time? Oh, we got time. All right. Let's do this. Next one. 20. Read it. Someone, please.
3x minus y.
3x? 3x minus y
Less than 4.
less than 4. Okay?
X plus y is greater or less than 4.
Greater than or equal to?
Equal to. Oh, is that backwards?
4?
I mean the other way.
Oh.
I'm backwards.
It's okay.
Both of them.
So it's less than equal to, and is this greater than equal to?
Yeah.
Okay. Remember, we read from left to right, and that's why if it's bigger here, it's greater than, less than. That's a good, hey, everybody gets that confused. And if you are reading it backwards, then you're going to answer it backwards. You're going to shade it wrong, right? Okay, so we need to, that's good. Good job. Okay, so this is problem number 20. Number 20. Okay, again, what am I going to do? I need to graph it. Okay, so I'm going to pick two colors that aren't the colors of these. And I'm going to plug in a 0 for X. And I'm going to find Y. What is Y?
4.
Nope. Close though.
Negative 4.
-4.
Oh.
Okay? Gotta watch those. Okay, then I'm going to put in a 0 for Y. So what is X? 4 over 3.
4 over 3.
4 over 3. The one in front of the X is always underneath the 4. Or underneath
Yeah.
the number. Make sense? Follow that pattern. 4 over 3. Okay? Okay, now the other one. So I'm going to do it in green. I'm going to put a 0 in for X. And what do I get for Y? 4. Put a 0 in for Y, and what do I get for X?
4.
4. Easy, right? Okay. Then I'm going to use this color to draw my graph. And I'm going to use 4, 4, 4. So 4 will work. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And then I'm going to color these in. 0, 4, that means out 4. That would be up 4. And then 4, 0 would be out 4. And I draw my line. And since I did it in green, that's the one I do first. And when I look at it, is it a solid line?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Is it less than, and does it stay less than? So you look here, yes, it's less than. Does it stay less than?
Yes.
It does. So
Negative.
I put my thing here and I say less than. Okay? Alright, then I grab my other color, black, and I go 0, negative 4. That means I'm negative 4 on the Y. And then I say 4/3. When you go, how do I graph 4/3? And I say, well, it's just 1/3. So it's just 1 and a little bit more. That's all. Just 1 and a little bit more. You don't have to be exact. Just 1 and a little bit more. Okay? So then, 1 with a little bit more. Draw your line. Whoop.
Uh-oh.
And I drew a line, so I got to make sure, is it dotted or is it not?
It's dotted.
So I look at this and, oh, it is dotted. So I go through and I erase to make it dotted. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then I say, okay, it says it's greater than. Does it stay greater than? There's two things that tell me.
Doesn't stay greater
Does it? No?
than, flips it.
Flips it. This gets flipped. So it's really less than. So I take my pen and I put it on it and I go less than. Like this. Okay? And there it is. That should give you your answer for the test. Okay? Hey, we did it.